More good brings more good. Good times bring more good times. Good begets more good. That's the energy that we want to be living with. That's the ideal that we are operating with. Not the other way around. Not good times, oh God, what happens when we lose it? Nah, good times, more. Bring it on. What's next? Because something even better is going to happen. What is up, my fellow dreamers and soul searchers? Welcome to another episode of Roxy Talks, where we discuss confidence, mindset, manifestation, and more. I'm Roxy Lee, and I'm a mindset coach, and I'm here to help make manifesting make sense. I teach using my signature approach, the 360 method, which combines awareness and discipline to help you become an expert manifester on autopilot. Find out more about that at roxytalks.com. I've got amazing courses and programs that you can get started on right away that will help you manifest whatever it is you desire in life. Today we're talking about the ever popular, always favorite topic, self-sabotage, and what it does to us when we're trying to manifest careers and success, and what happens when we do manifest amazing opportunities for ourselves, and then we begin to feel overwhelmed. I know the story. I've been there myself. No, actually, how about I feel so great and just have all the time in the world to experience all of the things that I want to, and everything is completely easy and stress-free at all moments. That's great, right? There's our affirmation. End of video, done. But in actuality, this question comes from you, the viewer. Thank you so much for asking your questions in the comments so that I know exactly what kind of videos to bring you. But the topic is coming up about what to do when we have allowed in opportunity, we've allowed in success, we've allowed in abundance, and now all of a sudden it feels like too much. We don't know if we can handle it. We don't know if we've bitten off more than we can chew. What stands out most to me in this is that this sounds like classic self-sabotage. This sounds like, okay, I've gotten everything I wanted. Now what? Can I handle it? Can I keep it? How do I maintain it? I don't know what to do. This is too much. Do I have what it takes? Am I good enough? Can I do it again? All of that stuff goes through our mind, and then some when we achieve. It's not uncommon to feel like we're not able to maintain, or that we're not good enough to keep what it is that we manifest, or to handle all of the open doors, or walk through all of the open doors that are presented to us at the time. It's kind of funny because it's like the scarcity mentality, this all or nothing idea. So now that all these doors are open, if I don't walk through them all, if I don't hurry up and walk through them all, they might close before I get to them. That's lack. That's this or that. That's scarcity. It's scarcity. That shit is scary, right? This or that. I can only have this or that. Some and not all. Some people get, not all get. Fragments, but not the whole. The idea that what you get that's good might go away is a fear, worry, doubt, insecurity that a lot of people operate with, and is exactly what pushes the things away that we're afraid of losing. So it's like a paradox. The fear of losing the thing, the fear of not being able to handle it, the fear of not being good enough, the fear of not being able to maintain it is the actual thing that makes you not able to maintain it. It's the fear itself that manifests in the thing going away. The fear becomes the manifestation after we entertain it so much that we believe it more likely than any other reality, and then it shows up in our world. And then we're scared, worried, victimized. This happened again. Now what? Oh my God, what am I going to do? How am I going to do this? The cycle repeats. And now you've just created the next wave of insecurity, doubt, fear, whatever, to come through when the going gets tough, or sometimes when the going gets good. That's the fucked up thing, is that this thing can be triggered when things are good and when they're bad. So you got to be careful all the time. 360 method, top to bottom, inside out, no thoughts off, no days off, no matter what. We're always on top of our thoughts. RoxyTalks.com, check it out. Of somebody who's living the life like I just said on my page. Hey, it's Spooky Roxy here, coming through to let you know that it's my birthday week too, okay? You may not know that, but I'm basically a Halloween baby. My birthday is right around Halloween, so I'm offering 2 exciting birthday promo bundles that you can grab for $118 or $1108. For $118, you will have access to 3 of my most recent master trainings. This is like 6 hours of content valued at $333, and we're giving it to you for $118 just for my birthday bundle promo sale. And if you're looking for something a little more substantial, the upgraded package for $1,108, meaning $1,108, you get what I just mentioned, so the 3-pack of master trainings, plus you get a ticket to our November master training happening November 30th. This one's all about rewriting your specific person. You also get enrolled into our December group program. Now, I haven't dropped any details about this yet, so it's super hush hush, but let me just tell you the vibe a little bit. We're talking about celebration. We're talking about loving ourselves. We're talking about gratitude. We're talking about bringing in something even bigger and better for the year of 2023, saying goodbye to 22 with love and welcoming in 2023 with a bang. So if you would like to get access to 3 previous master trainings, a brand new master training, and an entire group program for the month of December, oh, I forgot one. And I can't say and enough, you also get a ticket to our December master training, which is the New Year, New You master training. If you've attended it before, you know that it's super fun. This one's brand new. I'm giving you new information and a new perspective on how to bring in the year of your dreams. All of that is included in the 1108 birthday bundle. You can grab both of those at roxytalks.com. So really look at this idea and ask yourself, do I feel like I have to go through all of these doors at once? Do I feel like I'm not able to take all of these opportunities because all 20 things that just came through are happening at Tuesday at 2:30 p.m. and I can literally only be in one place at one time, so I can only have one opportunity? Or is there some sort of sequential, logical order that these opportunities might fall into along your path that you could feasibly handle all of them? Really look at that, because if the case is that you got too many opportunities at one time, fuck yeah, that's abundance. Congratulate yourself. And also in 10, you know what? I'm going to be intuitively guided and I'm going to lean towards the ones that are the best possible option for me, the best outcome for the highest good, whatever. I'm going to naturally gravitate towards those. So I'm not really worried about choosing. I already know what to pick. I already know what I'm doing. All the opportunities are amazing. I could pick any of these and I'm going to flourish. I'm just going to pick my favorite, my tippy top, the cream of the crop to experience, since I only have so much finite time in the day to do all these things that I'm going to experience, but I'm going to love every moment of it. And you know what? I might get another round of that on the back end. I might be able to get this opportunity again. Maybe they can reschedule. Maybe they'll see that they want to get me a couple months down the line. If the issue is that you literally cannot feasibly handle time-wise all of the opportunities, then say something like this, change the way we're looking at it, change the perspective. And if it's the opposite where, hey, you don't have to walk through every fucking door at the same time. You can walk through one, then the other, 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 and they're not going to close. And in fact, the more you walk through these doors, more doors are going to open. If that's the case, then let that be the story. You know what? I got plenty of time to do all. Do you see all these opportunities I've made for myself? And I have the perfect schedule to accommodate all of this. It's exactly the right time, right place, right person. Everything's working out for me. Everything's lining up perfectly. Oh my gosh, look at all this. It's exactly what I want. It's exactly what I needed. I have the perfect amount of my schedule to handle this. I have the perfect amount of bandwidth to be able to deal with this, whatever. You're affirming it. No matter what, the way you're reacting, what you're saying about it is creating the mold for your future. So change how you're looking at these opportunities and the abundance that you're manifesting and embrace it. More success brings more success. More good brings more good. Good times bring more good times. Good begets more good. That's the energy that we want to be living with. That's the ideal that we are operating with. Not the other way around. Not good times, oh God, what happens when we lose it? Nah, good times, more. Bring it on. What's next? Because something even better is going to happen. It's 11:59 p.m. Ooh, there's still time to get something else better in this day. It's already been an amazing day. What else can happen? It's a different energy, a different perspective, and it's going to allow you to not only enjoy what you have already, but continue to welcome in more opportunity as you go along and not shy away from that when it comes through too. So I want you to comment down below. Everything in my life is lining up perfectly. Everything in my life is lining up perfectly. We want to create the energy that says, you know what? I couldn't have written this better. Shout out to my brand new scripting video. I'll link it above. I'm going to take this pony. I'm going to ride it. I'm going to love the shit out of this life. I'm going to write it. I'm going to live it. I'm going to love it. Thank you, universe. It keeps on getting better. I cannot wait to see what tomorrow's going to bring. Now, if you are ready to dive into your own situation and get some help on what's going on in your world, manifest your ideal reality, head to roxytalks.com. I have amazing programs and workshops you can get started on right away that will help you manifest anything in your ideal reality. We've also got an amazing supportive place for all of our manifestors to together. Community.roxytalks.com, and check me out on social media, podcast, iTunes, Spotify, and more. I'm kind of all over the place. I'm here for you. I love you. I appreciate you. We're all raising our vibrations together. You have the power. I believe in you.